Okay, good morning, everybody. So, if you notice, there is a message whereby I have sent you three links for three GPT assistants. Okay, three GPT assistants. First GPT assistant is the virtual English language lecturer. Second GPT assistant is a writing trainer. Third GPT assistant is a grammar exercise generator. In the next videos that is going to come, I will explain one by one what those GPTs are for and what is the procedure for you to be using it. By having those GPT, you will be able to you will be able to continue on your journey to study English and become good in English without needing too much intervention from any teachers. As long as you can sit down and focus, then you are going to be okay by using this GPT.